Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just building your first workshop, finding the right tools matters. That's why we turn to our professional woodworkers for their top 5 Woodpeckers tool recommendations, a brand renowned for precision, quality, and reliability at every skill level. From layout tools to measuring accessories, these picks will elevate your craft. Let's dive in and find the perfect Woodpeckers tools for your workshop. Have you ever second-guessed a cut because you weren't sure your square was actually square? The Woodpeckers Precision Woodworking Square ends that doubt permanently. Machined from a single piece of cast aluminum across multiple CNC passes, it holds accuracy to 1/1000th of an inch along its full length. A standard no-hardware store square comes close to matching. A shoulder lip references cleanly off any edge. A scribing notch marks without a pencil swap, and laser-engraved 1/16-inch scales run both sides. If one Woodpeckers tool earns a spot in your shop first, this is the one. When did you last trust your T-square across a full 24 inches? The Woodpeckers T-square ruler earns that confidence with consistent accuracy along its entire length. No drift, no guessing. The built-in edge support registers firmly against your board. Scribing and shelf pin guides handle cabinet layout without extra tools, and the included racket wall mount keeps it organized between uses. Made in the USA to Woodpeckers' usual exacting standards, this is the square that pulls out every time sheet goods, casework, or large panel layouts are on the bench. Ever wish your square could wrap around the corner of a board and mark both faces at once? Woodpeckers built exactly that. The joiner's saddle square uses 2 machined aluminum plates at a true right angle. Saddle it over any board corner and mark face and edge in one clean pass. Angle guides at 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees are built right in. Precision-drilled holes every 1/32nd inch let you pull parallel lines without a separate gauge, and every edge carries laser-engraved scales. For anyone cutting mortises, tenons, or dovetails regularly, this tool removes several repetitive steps from every layout. How does a 6-inch ruler justify a premium price tag? When it's the Woodpeckers Paolini pocket rule, the answer becomes obvious fast. The sliding stop lets you lock in a measurement and repeat it perfectly, ideal for machine fence setups or batching identical cuts. A scribing notch at the tip doubles as a marking gauge on the spot, while the vertical end scale lets you dial in tool height hands-free. Graduations run in both 1/16th and 1/32nd inch, all laser engraved into aluminum. It's a compact tool that quietly eliminates several frustrating steps from your workflow. Why carry 6 tools when one does the job better? The Woodpeckers 12-in-1 pocket layout tool packs a T-square, tri-square, bevel gauge, marking gauge, depth gauge, compass, protractor, and more into a single stainless steel body. 12 functions, laser-engraved markings, and a 0.004-inch tolerance. That's not multi-tool compromise. That's genuine precision. Beginners get a complete layout toolkit without the learning curve of building one piece by piece. Experienced woodworkers get a compact backup that actually holds up to their standards. And that wraps up our top 5 Woodpeckers tool picks for your workshop. Whether you're chasing perfect angles or flawless layouts, these tools deliver the precision your craft deserves. Check the links below to grab any of these for yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tool reviews, and drop a comment telling us your favorite Woodpeckers tool. See you in the next one.